Everyone, this is Alessandro Baruzzo for Home Chef Seattle. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a beautiful garnish for your dishes using vegetable leaf stems. You can use the stems of different vegetables like beets, rainbow chard. It also works with cabbage. You get these nice flowery shapes. They look like little curled up dragons. So next time, instead of throwing away your vegetable stems, try making this garnish instead. I hope you enjoy. Let's get started. Today I'm going to be using both beets and rainbow chard stems. Start by cutting the thicker base of the stems into 3 to 3.5 inch pieces. Then make multiple angle cuts like shown on the video. And after that, cut them lengthwise into thin strips. Then place the strips into an ice bath. And now let's use some rainbow chard. With all the different colors, it makes for the most beautiful garnish. Again, cut the thicker base of the stems into 3 to 3.5 inch pieces. And then let's repeat the same process. Start by making angle cuts and then cut it lengthwise into thin strips. Try to make the angle cuts as close as possible. The more cuts you have and the closer they are, the easier it's gonna be for the strips to curl up. Depending on the cuts, the thickness of the strips, and even from stem to stem, each strip is gonna behave in a different way, so you're gonna get a nice variation of different shapes. And then again, place all the pieces in an ice bath. You want the water to be as cold as possible. The strips are gonna start to slowly curl up. You can also place them in the fridge to keep the water cold. Once the vegetable stems have curled up, you can drain them on some paper towel before using them as a garnish. And look at all these beautiful colors in different shapes. This is definitely one of my favorite garnishes. Today, I'm using them to garnish a dish of some sauteed rainbow chard with a pan seared salmon and a butter, garlic, and caper sauce. And it is now time to eat. I hope you have enjoyed the recipe. Please don't forget to like it, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel for more recipes to come. Thank you for watching.